How to have a beautiful day trip to English countryside. Soak in the charm of a peaceful village, taste local English wine at the vineyard, stop by stunning lavender fields, where you can get to try local produce treats like lavender ice cream and lavender gin, why not? Enjoy a scenic walk through the nature, see the medieval castle and the viaduct. Let me tell you how to make it happen. Take a train from London Blackfriars to Shoreham in Kent. This time we boarded from Herne Hill in South London, and to our surprise we stepped right into the heart of a lovely street market. Stalls were selling locally produced food like homemade breads, fresh farm eggs, seasonal vegetables. We couldn't resist popping into a nearby coffee shop for the freshest homemade cheesecake and a matcha coffee. Just about an hour from the hustle of London and you're in Shoreham, surrounded by countryside charm. From here, take a scenic footpath towards the Shoreham Village and the hidden Mount Vineyard. It's a picturesque and enjoyable route through golden wheat fields. Step into the tree-shaded alley of the historic church, standing here since Norman times. Medieval and early English Gothic elements make this church so atmospheric. Pop inside to feel it. Moving on through this charming village, don't miss its local grape vineyard, a hidden gem with a rich history, known for producing some of the region's finest wines. The vineyard buzzes with its lively, welcoming atmosphere, the perfect spot to enjoy lunch on the newly opened wine deck, soaking in the beautiful views and vibrant vibe. Try a bottle of local wine from the vineyard with your lunch, or sample a flight featuring their best selections. We enjoyed a flight over a rosé, a white and a sparkling, each offering a unique taste of the region's character. The freshly made wood-fired pizza and salads were really delicious. You can book a wine tasting experience all year round, or during the summer months, they offer tasting which includes a tour of the vineyard. Don't forget to stop by their shop if you'd like to take a bottle home or browse a selection of locally made jams, biscuits and natural cosmetics. Perfect souvenirs or gifts to remember your visit. And now we continue our nature path along the river Darent to the Lavender Castle farm. It takes you around half an hour of tranquility. You'll pass a clear, shallow stream, spot sheep grazing nearby, walk through the open fields and gentle hills. Calm, relaxing place, perfect for a slow stroll and a bit of fresh air. A serene escape that feels worlds away from the rush of everyday life. Arrive at the lavender fields for a different type of experience. Great spot for stunning pictures filled with the calming scent of lavender and gentle buzz of the bees. Here, everything is about lavender. You can even taste lavender gin and tonic or lavender ice cream. After you stroll through the lavender fields, and once you are happy with your purple-toned pictures, follow the nature path towards Eynsford station. Along the way you will pass the medieval Lullingstone Castle, and if you are visiting in the right season you might even catch the nearby poppy fields in full bloom. Keep an eye for the horses grazing peacefully in the surrounding fields, and enjoy the striking view of the viaducts in the background, an impressive sight that adds to the charm of the walk. Just on time to take your train back to London.